लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने देखा था व्हाट इज द डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी ऑफ ए फंक्शन, व्हेन डू वी से ए फंक्शन इज डिफरेंशिएबल एट ए पॉइंट. सो वी से a function is differentiable at a point if limit x approaches to f of a plus h or limit h tends to 0, f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. ठीक है. So when that limit exists, अगर सो limit x exists गसान then function is said to be differentiable at that point. So differentiable throughout its domain किम साथ आए when it will be differentiable for every point within its domain. ठीक है. domain किस हर एक इस पॉइंट खतर अगर सो फंक्शन कंटिन्यूअस आए. Now here we have to see the differentiation of composite functions, but before that we have to see what do we basically mean by a composite function. So simply as already wusmut composite functions means a function which is obtained as the composition of two functions, yani kahti is function which is obtained as a composition of two functions. So we know composition of two functions means kya hai, we have two different maps. Say we have these maps, say this is the domain, say this is set A, this is set B and this is any other set C. ठीक है. as in to A पे B is ताई association गसान, B पे C is ताई ब्याक association गसान. ठीक है. so suppose G is one map and H is any other map. G is one map and H is any other map. ठीक है. यमुक element is अंची X, यमुक element is अंची X, say that is matched with Y. So under rule G. So what do we say? We say G of X is equal to Y. G of X is equal to Y. G of X is equal to Y. Then ये क्या है map H, ये क्या है कराम YS match कुन element से, so say that is H of Y, say that is equal to T. So it will be H of Y is equal to T. H of Y is equal to T. ठीक है. H of Y is equal to T. Now if we define a direct map from A to C, then that map A पे C is ना अगर इस direct करो आप no map define, then that map is called that map is called HOG. ठीक है. HOG, the composition of the function H with G. ठीक है. so it will be HOG of X. HOG of X का बराबर है H of G of X. H of G of X. so obviously you see element X या फिर से गोने G apply गोमो, then उसके बाद यहाँ पे H apply हुआ है. ठीक है. so first of all X is applied upon G, then this is applied with H. ठीक है. so HOG of X is H of G of X. ठीक है. so इतना पर जैसे कि हमने देखा था पिछली एक्सरसाइज में, से cos of x square, this is obtained as the composition of two functions. cos of x square, this is the composition of two functions. ठीक है. गोडनेथ यूज फंक्शन, so it was like this. So we had two functions, ठीक है, and we were dealing with three sets. So this was set of real numbers, again set of real numbers. Goodness choose function was x was match गसान का से x square से. ठीक है. so say this was map F. X was matched with X square. ठीक है. ये X square का बराबर है थावान TS बराबर. ठीक है. पट was T दिवान T और इस ब्याक मैप इस डिफाइन करा, that was defined as cosine map और cosine function. so क्या करा cos, so is करा T का से match cos of T से. so it was cos of T, but what was T actually equal to X square. ठीक है. so ultimately us emantil image, so it was cos of T. so cos of T, but T was equal to X square, so that means cos of X square. so this is cos of X square. so that means use cos of X square, this is a composite function. ठीक है. composite function. so composite function गोडनेथा या एक्सेस पैठा x को मैच x square से, then x square को मैच का से under cosine map, so that is cos of X square. ठीक है. इसको डायरेक्ट तिल एसोसिएशन, so cos of X is equal to, यानी x को डायरेक्ट तिल मैच cos of X square. ठीक है. the composition map. So this is the composition of the functions. You said already wushmuch. Now here we have to see the differentiation of composite functions. Say if we have any function, say if we have a function f. Say function f is expressed as the composition of any two functions. Say it is GOH. F is equal to GOH. ठीक है. We know when do we say two functions are equal? The function किम साथ equal आसा? when f of suppose अइजन छु function f to be function g ठीक है function f to be function g so f is equal to g when f of x is equal to g of x for all x ठीक है यानी कॉमन डोमेन इस वनो तेल फंक्शन f आइस फंक्शन g एस बराबर when f ये एक्सेस आइस इमेज दिवान exactly आइस g ते तथ इमेज दिवान ठीक है so images should be equal f of x should be equal to g of x ठीक है so this is equality of the two functions now अगर f आइस f is equal to g o h what does this mean this function f of x is equal to g o h of x g o h of x and what is g o h of x g of h of x g of h of x ठीक है so that means अगर ऐसी function च f which is expressed as the composition of two functions g o h then how do we differentiate these two functions ठीक है ये अइजन च overall कड़न df or df by dx if we have to differentiate this function df but what is df f is equal to goh but goh is obtained as a composition of the two functions ठीक है image differentiation chase vision how do we differentiate this function ठीक है well this function is the composition of two functions kus function चाहिए g and h the function f which is expressed as the composition of the two functions if we have to find its derivative then that derivative is equal to you see function f ठीक है so note that I switch y is equal to f of x y is equal to f of x so yath mas we can direct say which one is the dependent variable and which one is independent variable ठीक है so y is the dependent variable x is the independent variable im sath yaar differentiation karo so we'll write dy by dx ठीक है so we differentiate with respect to the independent variable ठीक है so we always differentiate with respect to the independent variable ठीक है use the independent variable when we will differentiate with respect to that very variable ठीक है so here we will find dy by dx which means we are differentiating y the dependent variable with respect to the independent variable x ठीक है so we will be finding dy by dx now here we have f is equal to g of h of x ठीक है g o h f is equal to g o h which means f of x is equal to g o h of x which at the same time means g of h of x so अगर वो यहाँ तक differentiation करो f of x means जैसे कि यहाँ पे f of x means we are dealing with the independent variable x ठीक है यहाँ जन करो इस differentiation what will be that it will be del f df df divided by dx ठीक है so f of x पर जैसे लिख में df the short form for this ठीक है df divided by dx वो जन छु right hand side which is obtained as the composition of the two functions then how do we differentiate this function याथ में चीज देखा गोडनेस so we write g dash of h of x so this is equal to g dash of h of x ठीक है g dash of h of x into h dash of x ठीक है into h dash of x g dash of h of x into h dash of x which means कि यम साथ है composite function आइस g of h of x ठीक है what is g it is the outer function उस गोडनेथ outer function use to we differentiate that and then उसके बाद products में क्या है लिखा the derivative of the inner function so it will be derivative of the outer function into derivative of the inner function so derivative of outer function so d by dx of outer function into d by dx of inner function ठीक है what is inner function here inner function is h of x यानी outer function करो इस क्या outer function करो गोड differentiation उसके बाद product में क्या निमो inner function differentiation ठीक है so d by dx so that means अगर इस कहाँ थी composite function आइस तमें differentiation कित पैट करो इस compute so we'll write the derivative of the outer function into the derivative of the inner function ठीक है so g of h of x इमें differentiation क्या है g dash of god karo gs ठीक है h of x सही नहीं किए so we'll write g dash of h of x g dash of h of x into h dash of x into h dash of x ठीक है so actually you see the differentiation of the composite function or it is also called the composite function rule ठीक है composite function rule so this is also called the chain rule of differentiation say if we have f is equal to it new is composition already goh ठीक है so f is equal to goh so that means we have to find the derivative of f with respect to the independent variable ठीक है derivative of f with respect to independent variable which means we have to find del f df divided by dx ठीक है df divided by dx so अमुक मतलब उस फंक्शन g तभी फंक्शन h अमुक कंपोजिशन गसे गोडनेथे आसन पता what would have been the composition map it is g of h of x ठीक है g of h of x now g of h of x means if h क्या h is function of x ठीक है h क्या h is function of x if we consider this g as any function of t ठीक है you see g if we consider this g as a function of t ठीक है then we will be writing so d, you see g is करो is differentiation with respect to t so g is equal to g of t ठीक है this is a separate notation g is equal to g of t means g is a function of t so we'll differentiate g with respect to t so it will be dg divided by dt ठीक है dg divided by dt ठीक है but t was not into consideration t से cancel करो so that means you ये h इन साथ differentiation करो what will be that it will be dt divided by dh dt divided by dh ठीक है dt divided by dh ठीक है but h is a function of x so यातन क्या it will be dt divided by dx which is g ये केमिश function ठीक है ये केमिश function यातन कर we considered it as a function of t so it will be dg divided by dt into dt divided by dx ठीक है so actually ये यातन dx divided by dt ठीक है मगर म्यून असून रात उस फंक्शन dt divided by dx it was made as flexible by Leibniz कि हेको ट्रीट कर them by like variables ठीक है हेको सिंबल ट्रीट कर as variables यदि as variables हेको ट्रीट कर so that means dt तो भी dt हेको इवन कैंसल तो कर ठीक है so it will be dt to be dt guys cancel so what will be the end result it will be dg divided by dx ठीक है dg divided by dx so that means इस करन यूस outer function आज इस करन differentiation outer function you should go and differentiation so dg पच h of x से तुम term associate तुम गसन dt divided by dt से cancel ठीक है so it will be only the differentiation of the inner term ठीक है इस inner term is that will be the differentiation of the inner term so as an example so you see procedure this is also called the direct approach the composite function rule it is also called the direct procedure or direct approach देखिए as an example if we have y is equal to cos of x square y is equal to cos of x square you कुछ function composite function this has been expressed as the composition of the two functions ठीक है x square to be cos of x ठीक है x square to be cos of x goes to x square then x square goes to cos of x now if we have to differentiate this what will be it is differentiation so it will be dy by dx ठीक है dy by dx so by using that procedure so it will be differentiating the outer function derivative of outer function क्या है cos x outer function ना cos x what is derivative of cos x minus sin x ठीक है x square से इधर पर था ठीक है so this will be the derivative of the outer function so minus sin x square then what we have to do we have to find the derivative of the inner function this h dash of x is क्या x square ठीक है so it will be into d by dx of x square ठीक है this is also called a function of functions rule या internal differentiation ठीक है internal कर एक्सटर्नल डिफरेंशिएशन ठीक है एक्सटर्नल डिफरेंशिएशन कर एक्सटर्नल फंक्शन तथ कर डिफरेंशिएशन उसके बाद इंटरनल फंक्शन तथ करान डिफरेंशिएशन सो दिस विल बी इंटरनल डिफरेंशिएशन सो दिस इज माइनस साइन एक्स स्क्वायर into internal differentiation x square derivative that will be 2x x square derivative 2x sin x derivative go that is done we can make sure d by dx of x square what is that 2x so it will be 2x ठीक है so this will be the derivative of this composite function ठीक है so ब्याख examples and we say y is equal to tan of e raised to power x y is equal to tan of e raised to power x y is equal to tan of e raised to power x this is again composite function cha x is matched with e raised to power x so if we see here so x is match gomut kath seit e raised to power x pad as e raised to power x match gomut tan function seit theek cha so it will be then tan of e raised to power x so if we directly have the association between these two sets so we will have f of x is equal to tan of e raised to power x so f of x is equal to tan of e raised to power x so again this is expressed as the composite function उस composite function is differentiation करूँ ठीक है ध्यान से देखिए differentiation of outer function क्या है tan x ठीक है outer function क्या है tan x what is differentiation of tan x sec square x so it is sec square x x से जाए क्या है e raised to power x ठीक है पत उस e raised to power x internal गैस अलग डिफरेंशिएशन मार कत मज प्रोडक्टस मज इनटू d by dx of e raised to power x d by dx of e raised to power यानी अस वनो सिंपलस मज इस सेक स्क्वायर ऑफ सम एंगल ठीक है अत एंगलस छन गोडनेथ करना डायरेक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन कहीं ठीक है पत करान अत प्रोडक्टस मज डिफरेंशिएशन तथ चीजस युस एक्स जाय कंसीडर करान सो इट वाज tan of this was tan of x ये कोर एक्स जाय कंसीडर व्हाट इज डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ tan x sec square x लिख इथे पे पत कर इंटरनल डिफरेंशिएशन तथ टर्म में कंसीडर करान एक्स जाय ठीक है एक्स जाय कंसीडर करान सो इट विल बी sec square e raised to power x into differentiation of e raised power x is e raised to power x ठीक है so this is the differentiation of the composite function ठीक है so हम साथ कहाँ थी composite function है so we write differentiation of the outer function पद क्या है इसका product मज differentiation internal function so outer function derivative of outer function into derivative of internal function ठीक है derivative of inner function so this is also called the composite function rule or chain rule वुचो हुत मज शायद 5.4 मज पैरामीट्रिक इक्वेशन यम साथ इन ततन गछि चेन रूल असल पट क्लियर समझ आया ठीक है एग्जांपल लिखवा का एक्सरसाइज 5.2 question number 1 differentiate the functions with respect to x in exercise 1 to 8 so question number 1 is sin of x square sin of x square plus 5 so sin of x square plus 5 ठीक है say if we consider this as y इसे को y वगैरह ती directly solve करे ठीक है y इस बराबर छनी नेने जरूरत के so x is the independent variable so we'll write differentiating both sides with respect to x so y की differentiation so it will be dy divided by dx ठीक है which is image differentiation करें so sin of so this is again the composition of the two functions किस पर करो differentiation outer function यूज sin ठीक है sin ये सारी टर्म करो इस कंसीडर x ठीक है so sin of x what is differentiation of sin x cos of x ठीक है मगर x ही जाए कुछ x square plus 5 ठीक है that means इस को outer function गोडनेथ differentiation वो इस कारण क्या inner function differentiation है so internal differentiation into d by dx of x square plus 5 d by dx of x square plus 5 which means it will be cos of x square plus 5 into differentiation of x square क्या होगी 2x plus 5 which 5 is differentiation 0 ठीक है so this was first question number 2 so cos of sin x, cos of sin x, ठीक है, डायरेक्ट करो डिफरेंशिएशन, सो cos of sin x, सो दिस इज द आउटर फंक्शन cos, ठीक है, ये करो इस x की जाए कंसीडर, cos x की डिफरेंशिएशन माइनस sin x, x की जगह क्या है sin x, पर क्या गए इंटरनल डिफरेंशिएशन d by dx of sin x, d by dx of sin x, so this will be minus sin into sin x, ठीक है, minus sin into sin x, sin square x गए तथ केसस मज when it would have been sin x into sin x, ठीक है, तथ केसस मज ये sin square x, मगर ये sin of the angle sin x, ये sin x exist गसान as angle, ठीक है, लिहाजा इन sin square x ये कह into what will be differentiation of sin x, that will be cos of x, cos x यहाँ भी आप आगे भी multiply कर सकते हो. Now question number 3 हेकवा करिए, sin of ax plus b, what will be its differentiation, sin of ax plus b, sin of ax plus b, बताइए इसकी differentiation, so it will be cos of ax plus b, ठीक है, into internal differentiation d by dx of ax plus b, d by dx of ax plus b, so it will be cos of ax plus b into what will be differentiation of ax, ठीक है, a is constant differentiation मान गए, so it will be a, what will be differentiation of x 1, so it will be 1 plus differentiation of b is 0, so it will be only a, so it will be a times cos of ax plus b, ठीक है, समझ आया वहाँ, लिखिए sec of tan of under root x, हाँ, अगर ये फंक्शन पूछो ना, इनफैक्ट दिस इज द कंपोजिशन ऑफ 3 फंक्शंस, अंडर रूट x, tan of under root x, then sec of tan of under root x, ठीक है, बट अगेन इसे को हुई प्रोसीजर है रिपीटेडली अप्लाई करे, आउटर फंक्शन इनटू डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ इनर फंक्शन, फिर से इनटू डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ इनर फंक्शन, so this will be sec of inner function, ठीक है, sec which is the outer function, so ये sorry करो इस consider x, what is differentiation of sec x, यहाँ देखिए, so we can write differentiating both sides, ठीक है, या we can write this y is equal to sec of tan of under root x, so then differentiating both sides, so dy by dx is equal to, ठीक है, sec x क्या है, so it will be sec x tan x, so it will be sec x, what is x here, tan of under root x, so sec x tan x into tan of under root x, tan of under root x, समझ आया वहाँ, so this is sec x, x is क्या है tan of under root x, so sec x into tan x is tan of under root x, वो कैसे ना internal differentiation का d by dx of tan of under root x, d by dx of tan of under root x, ठीक है, sec x is कैसे differentiation, what is the result, sec x is differentiation, sec x tan x, so it will be sec x into tan x, वो कैसे internal differentiation का tan of under root x, so it will be again sec of, as it is use the term ethapert, so it will be tan of under root x into tan of under root x, into differentiation of tan x is differentiation sec square x, so it will be sec square x, what is x, under root x, you guys, under root x is b internal differentiation, ठीक है, so it will be again d by dx of under root x, under root x, ठीक है, so again we can write this as sec of tan of under root x into tan of under root x into this whole thing, so it will be sec square under root x into differentiation of under root x, what is differentiation of under root x, 1 divided by twice under root x, so differentiation of, so d by dx of under root x is 1 divided by twice under root x, so it will be 1 divided by twice under root x, ठीक है, now does this mean under root x is cancel, no, ठीक है, so this is within the angle, so this is under root x here and this is under root x, ठीक है, ये कैसे cancel किया, so this is the derivative, सरसे हेको पर डिवाइड करें अंडर रूट एक्स हेको सरसे पर डिवाइड करें। ये आपको समझ आया हाउ इज डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ अंडर रूट एक्स इक्वल टू 1/2 अंडर रूट एक्स। वी कैन राइट अंडर रूट एक्स कैन बी रिटन एज x raised to power 1/2। व्हाट इज x raised power 1/2? इमेज डिफरेंशिएशन क्या है 1/2 x raised to power 1/2 minus 1। So it will be 1/2 x raised to power minus 1/2। ठीक है, so it will be 1/2 x raised to power minus 1/2। अगर इसे नीचे लाएंगे so it will be x raised to power 1/2 which means 1 divided by twice x raised to power 1/2 means under root x। So it will be 1/2 under root x। ठीक है, so under root x is differentiation क्या है आसान 1 divided by twice under root x। ठीक है, लिखिए जल्दी जल्दी ax plus b divided by cos of cx plus d। ठीक है, अगर एंगल आए सेम if it would have been ax plus b divided by ax plus b तेल हेका लिखित का बराबर tan ax plus b। ठीक है, मगर एंगल डिफरेंट दैट मीन्स दीज आर टू डिफरेंट फंक्शंस। सो एज सच गोडनेथ लगान कोशेंट रूल। ठीक है, सो विल राइट differentiating both sides with respect to x, so that means we will have dy by dx is equal to quotient rule है already पता। ठीक है, so quotient rule, so अगर ऐसा numerator divided by denominator, so a function in the numerator divided by function in the denominator। ठीक है, then what is it is derivative, so use denominator में जो function आए तमिक square, so denominator square। ठीक है, denominator से हिरकन लेखन, so denominator ठीक है into से गसान d by dx of numerator। ठीक है, into d by dx of numerator minus times numerator as it is, and numerator में जो function आए that will be written as it is into d by dx of denominator। ठीक है, denominator square denominator हिरकन numerator differentiation minus numerator differentiation of denominator। so accordingly अगर इस ये रूल करो ये अप्लाई denominator में कुछ फंक्शन चाहिए cos of cx plus d, so अमुक स्क्वायर। ठीक है, so it will be cos of cx plus d whole square into यह फंक्शन here can be लिखना, so it will be cos of cx plus d cos of cx plus d into क्या guys d by dx of sin of ax plus b sin of ax plus b minus sin of ax plus b into d by dx of cos of ax cos of cx plus d cos of cx plus d cos of cx plus d। समझ आए वहाँ? ठीक है, अब सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए इसे, यहाँ देखिए सभी। so this will be denominator हेको इस further simplify करिए कहीं। ठीक है, so this has to be as it is, so it will be cos of cx plus d whole square cos of cx plus d whole square। अब ऊपर देखिए, so it is cos of cx plus d as it is into गैस डिफ्रेंसिएशन का sin of ax plus b, so sin x फिर से इंटरनल डिफ्रेंसिएशन ax plus b की sin is differentiation, what is sin x cos x, so it will be cos of, but what is x here ax plus b guys internal differentiation का ax plus b, so into d by dx of ax plus b। ठीक है, minus times minus sin of ax plus b sin of ax plus b differentiation guys का तो cos of cx plus d, what is differentiation of cos x minus sin of cx plus d into क्या guys d by dx of cx plus d, so differentiation of cx plus d। ठीक है, cx plus d, so अब जाके फिर से सिंप्लीफाई करना है। ठीक है, so this is cos of cx plus d whole square as it is। ठीक है, ये कहाँ में लिखना है डिनोमिनेटर्स में, so cos of ऊपर cos of cx plus d। ठीक है, into e cos of ax plus b what will be derivative of ax plus b, it will be only a। ठीक है, a गई l x is 1 b is 0, so it will be a minus, so minus into minus this will be plus। ठीक है, plus sin of ax plus b into sin of cx plus d c into c। ठीक है, into c, so c है को इस बिट करते हैं मल्टीप्लाई में डिवाइडेड बाय divided by this whole thing cos of cx plus d whole square. We can simplify it further. So यह को इसलिए कि a times cos of cx plus d into cos of ax plus b ठीक है. cx plus d whole square से सरसी divide ये करो यह term में अलग divide यह term में करो ये अलग divide. So it will be cos of cx plus d whole square, cos of cx plus d whole square plus अब यहाँ पे c ठीक है, c है ना यदन c times sin of ax plus b sin of ax plus b into sin of cx plus d divided by cos of cx plus d whole square. ठीक है. So it gets cos of cx plus d whole square gets yet cos of cx plus d is it cancel. So what is left over? It will be cos of ax plus b divided by cos of cx plus d. So we will write cos of ax plus b bunkai rows 1 divided by cos of cx plus d. What will be that? Reciprocals man zil so that will be sec of cx plus d, sec of cx plus d. समझ आया plus c times, so this is again cos to be cos अगर इस याद से करो combine cos of cx plus d so it will be sin of ax plus b as it is sin of ax plus b. So it is sin of ax plus b. Cos अगर इस याद एक ही sin से करो combine, what will be that? Here can angle cx plus d bun can angle क्या cx plus d. So it will be sin cx plus d divided by tan cx plus d. What will be that? Tan of cx plus d. So it will be tan of cx plus d. Mar cos through that to mujud so cos so that will be sec of cx plus d. ठीक है. So this will be the simplest. Question number 6 cos of x cube into sin square x raised power 5. कर पाओगे question number 6? फिर क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 सो ट्वाइस रूट ऑफ cot of x square twice under root cot of x square. ठीक है. So again if we write let y is equal to this thing twice under root of cot of x square. So differentiating with respect to x, so it will be d by dx of 2 to constant, so 2 will be as it is into differentiation of d by dx of under root of cot of x square. ठीक है. So I switch adamat, what is d by dx of under root x? Under root x is differentiation 1 divided by twice under root x, 1 divided by twice under root x. ठीक है. So this will be twice. अब इसकी differentiation ये करो इस x से जाए consider. ठीक है. Under root x ये को sorry x से जाए consider, so under root x is क्या है 1 divided by twice under root cot of x square पर क्या गए internal differentiation का cot of x square. So it will be d by dx products much ना गसन differentiation of outer function into differentiation of inner function. So inner function guys product is much, so into d by dx of cot of x square, d by dx of cot of x square. So 2 and 2 will cancel out. So we'll be left with 1 by under root of cot of x square into differentiation of cot of x square. So again differentiation of outer function into differentiation of inner function. What is differentiation of cot x? Minus cosec square x minus cosec square x. But what is x here? x square path guys x square is internal differentiation, so into d by dx of x square so it is 1 divided by under root of cot of x square into minus cosec square x square into differentiation of x square, so it will be 2x. ठीक है. So simplification this will be the simplest. 9 prove that the function f given by f of x is equal to mod of x minus 1 where x belongs to R is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. ठीक है. in our last lecture explain कि when we have mod of x minus a is not differentiable at x is equal to a. ठीक है. So x is equal to a पर क्या शेयर करा, it touches the graph at the it touches the graph, it touches the x axis. ठीक है, so x is equal to a पे ये touch करन x axis. So that point पे यात point पे it touches करन x axis. For that point, the modulus function is not differentiable function. ठीक है, so here we have f of x is equal to mod of x minus 1. ठीक है, f of x is equal to mod of x minus 1. So we have to show this function is not differentiable. ठीक है, so we have to show f of x is equal to mod of x minus 1 is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. ठीक है, so x is equal to 1 इस पर क्या करो, इस will compute the left hand derivative and right hand derivative, and we know left hand derivative, so it will be L f dash of a L f dash of a is equal to, it will be limit h tends to 0 from the left. ठीक है, f of a minus h minus f of a divided by minus h. So left hand derivative. So right hand derivative L f dash of a will be limit h tends to 0 from the right. So it will be f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. ठीक है, so but here a is equal to 1. So we'll be computing the left hand derivative at 1 and right hand derivative at 1. ठीक है, अगर left hand derivative तो भी right hand derivative का coincide and equal is, then we'll say the function is differentiable, otherwise it won't be differentiable at this point. So we'll write at x is equal to 1, so we have left hand derivative at 1. So left hand derivative at 1, what will be that? It will be limit h tends to 0 from the left, f of 1 minus h minus f of 1 divided by minus h. ठीक है, so it is limit h tends to 0 from the left. What is f of 1 minus h? f of x का बराबर है mod of x minus 1. So what is f of 1 minus h? It will be modulus x से जाए क्या गया replace 1 minus h, या जाए x तक जाएगा replace 1 minus h. So it will be 1 minus h minus 1 minus f of 1. What will be f of 1? So it will be 1 minus 1 divided by minus h, so which means it will be limit h tends to 0. So it will be 1 minus 1, that will be 0, mod of minus h minus 0, 1 minus 1, that will be 0 divided by minus h. ठीक है, so this is limit h tends to 0 from the left. So what is mod of minus h? h divided by minus h. So this will be minus 1. Exactly इस पर इस रात करें. So again, what will be the right hand derivative? Or f dash of 1, in right hand derivative at, so it will be limit h tends to 0 from the right, f of 1 plus h minus f of 1 divided by h, which is limit h tends to 0, f of 1 plus h minus 1, so mod of 1 plus h minus 1, minus f of 1 is again mod of 1 minus 1 divided by h. So it will be limit h tends to 0, 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, so it will be h, mod of h is h divided by h, so it is h divided by h, which is 1. So left hand derivative is minus 1, so right hand derivative is 1, which means the left hand derivative is not equal to the right hand derivative, hence the function is not continuous at x is equal to 1. ठीक है, question number 10. True that the greatest integer function defined by f of x is equal to greatest integer x, where x lies between 0 and 3, is not differentiable at x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. In fact, use greatest integer function चाहता है, it is not differentiable at the integral values. ये प्रत्येक इस integer पे छेनिए differentiable आसान किए. ठीक है, as which we have already seen that कि use greatest integer function it is not continuous at the integral values. Integral value पे छेनिए continuous से आसान किए, and it is also not differentiable at the integral values. So here we have to check f of x is equal to greatest integer x, greatest integer function ची ब्याक नाव वना. What is that called? floor function, ठीक है, floor function, because it occupies the floor of the interval, ठीक है, it occupies the bottom of the interval, so that's why it is also called a floor function. So together greatest integer function and the smallest integer function are called floor and ceiling functions, floor and ceiling functions. So f of x is equal to greatest integer x, we have to check it is not differentiable at x is equal to 1, ठीक है. Again we have to compute the left hand derivative at x is equal to 1 and right hand derivative at x is equal to 1 ना directly लिखो इसे इस पर इस उताम किस questions में उसको. So we can write at x is equal to 1, at x is equal to 1, so we will have left hand derivative L f dash of 1 and a left hand derivative at 1. What will be that? Limit h tends to 0 from the left to f of 1 minus h minus f of 1 divided by minus h. So it will be limit h tends to 0 from the left. Now what is f of 1 minus h? F of x का बराबर है greatest integer x. So it will be greatest integer 1 minus h. Greatest integer 1 minus h. Greatest integer 1 minus h minus greatest integer 1. ठीक है, greatest integer 1. Greatest integer 1 divided by minus h. Now what will be greatest integer 1 minus h? I switch already greatest integer n minus h. What is greatest integer n minus h? Equal to n minus greatest integer n minus h is equal to n minus 1. So that means 1 minus h. What will be that? Equal to 1 minus 1. So it will be 0. So it will be limit h tends to 0. So it is 0 minus 1 divided by minus h. So it will be limit h tends to 0 from the left 1 divided by h. h is अगर वो value देमो 0, so it will be 1 by 0, that will be in undefined, so it will turn out to be infinity. यानी left hand limit से infinity as बराबर. We can simply say कि left hand derivative शनत exist गसन कें, ठीक है. ये ती है कोई भी since left hand derivative does not exist, so the function is not differentiable. मगर अगर इसको compute करो right hand derivative, so we can write r f dash of 1, what will be that? Limit h tends to 0 f of 1 plus h minus f of 1 divided by h, which is again limit h tends to 0 f of 1 plus h. So बराबर है, so it will be greatest integer 1 plus h, minus greatest integer 1. Greatest integer 1 divided by h. And what is greatest integer 1 plus h? Greatest integer 1 plus h का बराबर है 1, ठीक है. So it will be 1 minus greatest integer 1 is also 1, so it will be 1 minus 1 divided by h. So 1 minus 1, so it will be 0 divided by h, so it will be 0. That means left hand derivative is not equal to right hand derivative. Because left hand derivative is infinity, right hand derivative is 0, ठीक है. So the function is not differentiable at x is equal to 1, ठीक है. इतने पर है कि तो ये prove करें the function is not differentiable at x is equal to 2, ठीक है. So the greatest integer function is not differentiable at integral values, ठीक है.